very loving and very passionate about Shehnaz.
अभी पिछले एक साल से इसने इतनी अच्छी गायकी की है कि मैं नहीं ढूंढ पा रहा हूँ मिस्टेक्स. He's killing it nowadays.
పుట్టబొమ్మ పుట్టబొమ్మ నన్ను చుట్టుకుంటివే జిందగీకే అడ్డబొమ్మై జంట కట్టుకుంటివే.
Neetu Rathod from Jaipur for Arman. What is one message you would give to your Armanians?
One message that I will give to my Armanians is that once Zarat Hero's promotions and everything are done, let's relax and let's not see the phone. All of us, even the fans, because the fans are so passionate. With even if I am like tomorrow or day after when all my media promotions and all end, I'm trying to take a break. So I'll be like, you guys also chill out because we've just been at it. I've had 3 releases in these 3 months in lockdown, 2 English and 1 Hindi. And the fans have been going crazy. I'm like, aap log sote ho ki nahi? I just want all of us to relax because, physical and mental health is so important. I just put out a tweet right now, I think before the interview that, in order, in the race to make yourself digitally bigger, I hope we don't lose out on taking care of our physical and mental self. I think all of us need to kind of just take a step back, and I actually want to be bored in the quarantine. I'm looking at people's stories saying I'm bored in quarantine. I'm like, I wish I can be bored in quarantine. Meko ek din rest karne ko nahi mila hai, and I wish I can take some time off and just relax. So yeah, that's what I want to tell all my Armanians. Relax, and agar aap log ki padhai shuru ho rahi hai, matlab I've heard some exams and all are starting, which is really unfortunate in lockdown if it's starting.
No, I don't think exams will happen. Yeah.
No, they're not happening.
Classes. Most probably,
Okay,
most probably not.
हर दिन confusion is बात पे सब.
Kabhi hota hai, kabhi nahi hota hai. But all I
Right.
want to say is just chill out. I think it's a time for all of us to kind of just take a step back and just relax. So that's my only message. Relax.
Hashtag relax. Okay.
Hashtag relax.
This is Kashish from Indore. Imagine you're going for a date. Then what would you like to buy for that girl? This is for Amal Malik.
I'm very bad at buying things. So I would rather sing तुझ पे सजे खूबसूरत लगे ऐसा क्या दूँ तुझे and get out of the situation.
Interesting. Interesting. Okay.
तुम्हें क्या चाहिए तुम बता दो वो मैं ले आऊँगा.
Okay, this is Remy Ghosh from Kolkata for Arman. What is your upcoming project? Can you share with us?
Right now, my upcoming project is Mission Sleep. I've really gone crazy in this lockdown, and I just want to just relax. Like I want to take a week or two just to unplug from everything and just like kind of get my energy back. So that's my
All
next
right.
project.
Okay, this is Tanvi. Actually,
Tanvi.
how does it feel for Amal? How does it feel when your fans call you Bhayu, Broski, and Amlu? Wanna know this, please?
Bhayu is very funny because मेरे को लगता है like suddenly I can imagine myself as a दूध वाला Bhayu. So I don't like that. The Broski is cool and Amlu तो मम्मी बुलाती है तो चलो वो भी चलता है. But Bhayu मत बुलाओ यार.
This is Shivam Soni from Sikar, Rajasthan for Arman.
Yeah.
What was going on with Arman Malik some days before launching of Control, as we also saw he deleted his all Instagram posts? Is he okay?
Yeah, as you can see, after that, the song's lyrics were revealed. So
Right.
I'm pretty much okay. I know I gave a little bit of a shock to all my fans when I deleted all my posts, and there was only one post saying, I can't take it anymore. That's what the post was. And people thought I was going through something or I was taking some kind of a drastic step. So I just want to tell sorry to all my fans if I misled you guys in any way. It was just a lyric from my song, and I was starting a new journey in my foray into English music and international music. So for me, I felt like one chapter of my life had completed, and in order to go to the next chapter, I felt like this page had to be turned. So that's what I took it as, and kind of cleaned up my social media and started a new journey.
All right, this is for Amal. This is Debalina from Kolkata. Amal, when will you stop beating Arman in the recording sessions?
बीट से ज्यादा फोन टूट सकता है बट अरमान को मैं नहीं मारता. अभी पिछले एक साल से इसने इतनी अच्छी गायकी की है कि मैं नहीं ढूंढ पा रहा हूँ मिस्टेक्स. He's killing it nowadays.
All right. Okay, this is Neeta from Dubai. I want to ask Arman if he's dating someone. And one compliment for him, I love his song from movie Ala Vaikunthapuram Lu. Though I don't understand single word of it because of language barrier, he just cannot sing love song but party song too. So are you dating someone?
Second part of the question, thank you. Thank you for loving Butta Bomma so much. It's become the most viewed and highest viewed Telugu song in the history of the Telugu film industry. So that's a huge thing for me. And thank you for loving that, despite of not knowing the lyrics. And first part, I'm not very open when it comes to me. मेरा एक नजरिया है about my life in general. I feel कि out of 100% of Arman Malik, 99% is known by the world. And I can guarantee and vouch for that everything on social media out there is the 99% of me. That 1% which is not there and which you guys don't know is for something for me which I feel like अगर मैं अपने लिए कुछ नहीं रखूं तो that'll be cheating for me. Certain things like your personal life or who you're dating or who you're in love with, that's something that you should keep pure and just for you. I feel like people ruin beautiful things. That's my way of looking at things. So मैं वो जो 1% है मेरे लाइफ के बारे में वो अपने साथ रखता हूँ.
Basically, you are telling Neetag that Zara Thero. There is something that I cannot reveal.
See, you know what? हाँ, वक्त आने पर होंगी बातें. सही है.
Okay. All right. So you want to sing a couple of lines of Butta Bomma?
Yeah. You want me to sing a few lines of it?
Yeah, for her maybe.
Cool. ఇంతకన్నా మంచి పోలికేది నాకు తట్టలేదు గాని అమ్ము ఈ లవ్ అనేది బబ్లు గమ్ము అంటుకున్నదంటే పోదు నమ్ము ముందు నుంచి అందరు నా మాటే గాని మళ్ళీ అంటున్నానే అమ్ము ఇది చెప్పకుండా వచ్చి తుమ్ము ప్రేమ నా పాలివు నన్నము ఎంతగా అనే ఎదురు చూపుకి తగినట్టుగా నువ్వు బదులు చెబితిరే అరే దేవుడా ఇదే తనే తలోపటే పిల్లడాంట దగ్గరై నన్ను చేరా తీసివే బుట్ట బొమ్మ నన్ను సుట్టుకుంటివే జిందగీకే అట్ట బొమ్మై జంట కట్టుకుంటివే బుట్ట బొమ్మ నన్ను సుట్టుకుంటివే జిందగీకే అట్ట బొమ్మై జంట కట్టుకుంటివే మల్టీప్లెక్స్ లోని ఆడియన్స్ లాగా మౌనం గున్నా గాని అమ్ము లోనా డంటనక జరిగింది నమ్ము దిమ్మ తిరిగి నాదే మైండ్ సిమ్ము ఎంతగా అనే ఎదురు చూపుకి తగినట్టుగా నువ్వు బదులు చెబితివే అరే దేవుడా ఇదే తనే తలోపటే పిల్లడాంట దగ్గరై నన్ను చేరా తీసివే బుట్ట బొమ్మ నన్ను సుట్టుకుంటివే జిందగీకే అట్ట బొమ్మై జంట కట్టుకుంటివే బుట్ట బొమ్మ నన్ను సుట్టుకుంటివే జిందగీకే అట్ట బొమ్మై జంట కట్టుకుంటివే.
Fantastic. This is Komal and the question is, will Arman Malik ever collaborate with Shehnaz Gill?
Yes, I have got a lot of requests from her fans on Twitter. I think her fans are very, very loving and very passionate about Shehnaz. And definitely, if the right project comes up, I would love to collaborate with her.
This is Smee Samra from British Columbia, Canada. My question for Arman is, what is his best childhood memory with his brother Amal Malik?
The best childhood memory with my brother is actually I want to get Amal for this question.
Sorry.
So the question is that what's the best childhood memory with Amal? So my favorite childhood memory is when we were in एक school bus था हमारा which used to pick us up and take us to school, obviously. Where else will it go? So there was this 10th standard kid.
So there was this 6th में था, अरमान 1st में होगा.
मैं 1st में था, अमल 6th में था, and there was a 10th standard kid who was bullying everyone in the bus. तो अमल के साथ भी उसका कुछ झगड़ा हो गया था, and I think he got into a fight with Amal and he hit you somewhere and all.
And he started choking me, and I obviously had a breathing problem. So he was choking me, और अरमान ने full हीरोगिरी करके कुछ स्पाइडरमैन स्टाइल किया.
वो जो है ना बस में वो हैंडल होता है, तो उसे पकड़ के मैं चढ़ गया सीट पे and I gave him a flying kick on his eye to save my brother. I always Amal just
मैं
go
लड़ लेता हूँ.
handle it na for me. That's my response to everything. But that's the first time that I actually was like, no, how can he do this to my brother? And I kicked him. So next day, his mom comes with him. As the bus का जो driver है कि मेरे बेटे को ये किसने किया, मतलब so mom started beating him only. इससे मार खाया, like तूने इससे मार खाया. So I think that is the most fondest memory I have of me and Amal. Obviously, there are other crazy moments where I have spilled something on me and told mom that
That
Amal
is my
spilled
memory.
on me.
So such a schemer. कुछ दूध का एक कप पड़ा था,
गरम दूध.
हाँ, और यानी मैंने इसकी कोई टॉय ले लिया या कुछ, तो इसको जो चाहिए था उससे छीन लिया. तो इसने पूरा वो कप लेके अपने क्लोथ्स पे, अपने सर पे सब डाल दिया गरम, और मम्मी को चिल्ला रहा, देखो अमल ने क्या कर दिया, और मेरे को 2 जूते पड़े. वेरी 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 स्मार्ट बॉय.